the express business building worldwide. We're able to do that with, voila, the solar strips. So we've got a beautiful slide here showing the marine phytoplankton, the solar strips. And just to add a little bit, I know we had a beautiful presentation in Vegas on the marine phytoplankton. I took Ron to the sea farm. I listened to Tom give his life story of how he developed. He's the only person who's been able to take from nature and recreate it in million-liter tanks the marine phytoplankton. There is marine phytoplankton that have been created in science, bioreactors. It's what they feed fish at the fish farm. So it's kind of like, this is my term, fish food. But it is not our pure marine phytoplankton. Tom was able to take from the ocean and recreate what nature does there in a very unique way, which is the spring bloom that makes this marine phytoplankton grow in a really beautiful way. At any time that he does a harvest, he has over 200 different species of the marine phytoplankton that he creates. And over a year period of time, because of the different currents and the different climate and weather, etc., there's a combination of 600 different species, microscopic, that we consume as we consume this food. It was the first food on the planet. It broke down the volcanic rock to create the soil for us to, grow the foods that we grow. It's the most complete, complex food on the planet. It has every nutritional element needed for human. And what's unique as well, you see this little strip that someone's holding on their finger. There's 37.5 milligrams of this marine phytoplankton sitting in that little strip. As it's put in your mouth like a breath mint, it's absorbed directly into the bloodstream. When we eat an apple, a banana, any kind of food, it takes the entire digestive system to break everything down and take the nutritional elements to put into the bloodstream to get to what is needed at a cell level for nutrition. This enters immediately. In fact, those of you who have been so fortunate to try the solar strips already, you probably feel it right into your mouth, into, like, honestly, personally, right to the brain. It crosses the blood-brain barrier. We have a food source that we have been looking for forever that now we can ship worldwide. It's in our Restoration 90, available